Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check your auto bill and manage your account online. First, download and open the My2 app from your app store. Log in to your account using your auto details. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard showing your balance and usage at a glance. To view your detailed bills, tap on Billing. To update or make payments, go to Payments where you can manage your payment methods. And that's it. You can easily keep track of your auto bills and account anytime, right from your phone. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.